Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Crochet Guide is probably one of the most relaxing and fulfilling hobbies you can pick up. It's a fantastic way to create beautiful and practical items with just a hook and some yarn. In this video, we'll dive into the world of crochet, exploring everything you need to know to get started, from the basic stitches to more advanced techniques, so you can start your crochet journey today. Number 5. How to Crochet, a Beginner's Guide. Are you ready to learn a new skill? This guide is designed for absolute beginners. It will walk you through everything you need to know about crochet. Before you start, you'll need a few basic supplies. This includes a crochet hook, yarn, and scissors. You can find these at most craft stores. Let's start with the basics, how to hold the hook and yarn correctly. This is important for creating even stitches. Practice this until it feels natural. The slip knot is the foundation of your crochet project. It's the first step in almost every pattern. It's easy to learn, and this guide will show you how. Next, we'll learn the chain stitch, the most fundamental stitch in crochet. This stitch forms the base of your work. It's the building block for many projects. Now, let's learn the single crochet stitch. This is a versatile stitch used in many patterns. It's a great stitch to start with. The double crochet stitch is taller than the single crochet. It creates a more open fabric. It's a fun stitch to learn. What we like. This guide is designed for absolute beginners, providing a comprehensive introduction to crocheting. It covers all the basics, ensuring you start on the right foot. If you're just starting out and want a thorough, step-by-step guide, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great pictures, easy step-by-step instructions, variety of stitches, multiple patterns, explanation of yarns and needles, and breakdown of terminology. Perfect guide for beginners. I like the easy instructions on following how to crochet. I especially love the colorful pictures, which was easy to see and follow. Number 4. 4M Crochet Art Kit, Beginner Crochet Set. Introducing the 4M Crochet Art Kit. This kit is designed for beginners, making it easy to learn the fundamentals of crocheting. It's a great way to get started with a fun and creative hobby. The kit comes with everything you need to start crocheting. It includes 2 crochet hooks, a plastic needle, and 7 different colors of yarn. This ensures you have all the necessary tools right at your fingertips. With this kit, you can create multiple items. You can choose to make a coaster, a handbag, a placemat, or even a belt. It provides enough materials to complete 3 projects. Don't worry if you're new to crocheting. The kit includes a 14-page instruction book to guide you through each step. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the learning process enjoyable. This kit is recommended for children aged 8 and up. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and develop fine motor skills. Let your child explore their artistic side with this engaging kit. This kit is brought to you by 4M, a brand known for educational and creative toys. 4M offers a wide range of kits covering various subjects, from science to robotics. It's a great way to challenge your child's imagination. What we like. This kit is a perfect beginner set, offering all the essential materials to get started. It includes enough yarn to create multiple projects like coasters, handbags, or placemats. If you are looking for a kit that provides everything you need to create multiple items, this is the one. What people say. Whoever wrote the instructions was both very detailed and clear while also emphasizing the need for practice and patience, which helped avoid frustration with the lack of immediate mastery. The inclusion of left-handed instructions was such a thoughtful insight as our learner flips between hands for different tasks. The included supplies are adequate for beginners and allow for investment in better quality if the interest persists. Number 3. The Woobles Pierre the Penguin Crochet Kit. This is the perfect crochet kit for complete beginners. It comes with a step-by-step video tutorial that is easy to follow. A pre-started crochet piece is also included. Along with the easy-peasy yarn and video tutorials, you'll receive every other tool you need to begin crocheting. It comes with pre-started yarn, eyes, a yarn needle, a crochet hook, stuffing, and a bag to hold it all. The step-by-step videos guide beginners from start to finish. They're easy to follow thanks to a detailed explanation behind each stage of the learning process. The Woobles also offers unlimited help over email and text, plus virtual crochet office hours. The easy peasy yarn is made in-house, especially for beginners. It's only available at the Woobles. It is easy to crochet with and makes it easy to see your stitches throughout. Thousands of people have learned to crochet this way, and you could be next. These beginner-level crochet kits make it easy to pick up this new hobby. Try this one, Felix the Fox, and more today. What we like. This kit includes step-by-step video tutorials, making it incredibly easy to learn. The kit also comes with easy peasy yarn, designed specifically for beginners. If you like the idea of learning with video guidance and specially designed yarn, you should consider this. What people say. The videos are super easy to follow, and the kit even comes pre-started, which is apparently the hardest part, so it really sets you up for success. The videos are short and bookmarked, so you can easily go back and rewatch them. They are very clear. This kit is great for beginners because Justine is amazing with her tutorials and she will literally go step by step with a tutorial to teach you how to do the stitches and how to read a pattern. Number 2. Cookie Box Crochet Kit, Turtle Hugo. You'll receive a downloadable PDF pattern and a comprehensive 28-page beginner's guide. These instructions are packed with photos, detailed steps, and helpful tips for both right and left-handed users. You can store them on any device and zoom in for details. Enjoy an easy, detailed, and immersive video tutorial. It covers the entire crochet process with clear narration and no distracting music. The video is designed with chapters for easy navigation and speed controls to match your pace. It's available for both right-handed and left-handed users. This beginner-friendly kit comes with everything you need. It includes an ergonomic crochet hook, beginner-friendly yarn, stitch markers, safety eyes, a blunt needle, and stuffing. Everything is packed in an adorable metal tin to keep your yarn organized. Learn the essential techniques to crochet amigurumi. You'll master the magic ring, chain stitch, increase, decrease, sewing, and stuffing. The plush may look intricate, but it's designed to be easy and fun for beginners to create. This kit is perfect for anyone who loves plushies and crafts. It's great for those with good motor skills, patience, and attention to detail. It's ideal for kids aged 14 and up, as well as adults. This crochet kit makes a fantastic gift for anyone who enjoys hands-on activities. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of creativity with this wonderful kit. What we like. This kit offers digital instructions and a detailed video tutorial, making it easy to follow along. It includes everything you need to create adorable amigurumi stuffed animals. If you are looking for a kit with comprehensive digital support and all the necessary supplies, this is perfect for you. What people say. The kit is great, all packaged in a tin that's useful during and after the project. The yarn is easy, and there is extra of all the colors in case you mess up. The video instructions are helpful and they also have extra info beyond just the kit. Number 1. Learn Crochet. Kit by Susan Bates. This kit has everything you need to begin crocheting. It's a great way to learn a new skill and create beautiful projects. Inside, you'll find 5 Susan Bates Silverloom crochet hooks in various sizes, an Afghan hook, and yarn needles. These tools are essential for any crocheting project. The included instruction book features simple instructions and clear diagrams. They make learning easy, even for beginners. The book contains over 30 projects to get you started. It also includes left-handed instructions, making it accessible to everyone. With this kit, you can start creating your own crochet projects right away. It's a fun and rewarding hobby. What we like. This kit provides all the essentials to get you started, including multiple crochet hooks and yarn needles. The instruction book features simple instructions and clear diagrams. If you like having a variety of hooks and want to try multiple projects, it's a great choice. What people say. The book is very clear and precise. As many do not, this one shows how to wind the yarn around the hand to make tension. It has left and right-handed instructions for all lessons. The pictures and instructions are easy to understand and follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.